Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually go on to making money online just like how I did right here in today's revenue. And we're actually going to be using a very cool and secret tool to actually drive a lot of traffic to our CPA marketing offers, and I'm going to be revealing that tool to you right there in the end of this video. But if we're actually going to be focusing on what we're actually going to be doing today, which is CPA marketing, and if you're actually a beginner, this is not actually quite difficult because you don't actually have to go through the hassle of directing people to go on to purchasing any product or selling anything online. You just need to direct people right now to actually go on to doing simple actions like submitting their email address, signing up to a website, and doing simple stuff such as that. And guys, if you are actually new to my channel right now, I actually create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with the use of other AI tools. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. You'll be able to see lots of cool videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online. And with that being said, let's jump right into today's video. First of all, you want to come onto this platform called CPA Grip to actually go on to creating an account right here. You can create an account for absolutely free. You'll be able to see a register icon right here in this section, of which you can actually go on to using right now to get to register for this platform. If you do click on that, you should be brought to this page where you can actually provide these basic details right now to fill out this form right here. And basically, you want to just simply fill out all the fields with this red asterisk signs right now, as they are actually the required or compulsory fields which you must go on to fill in before your account can be created. If you do that, agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes right now and do click on register now. If you do that right now, you can actually go on to creating your account and then go on to logging into your account right now. So guys, you can see right now I'm logged into my account, and you can see a lot of offers right here which I can go on to promoting. And to get to this page, you want to just simply come onto the offer tool section, click on that, click on my offers, and you'll be brought to this page right here. You could filter offers to any country of your choice, maybe from the United States, from any other country which you do choose to use right now, but I prefer using the United States. You can actually select a category of offer for mobile install offer, zip submit offer, credit card submit, and a lot of that type of offers right now. And you can then just simply continue scrolling through. You can see right now that if I do click on payout, your offers are actually going to be arranged from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying ones. And you can see for this mobile install offer, you actually need to direct people to go on to installing this mobile application on their device, and for every one person that actually does that, you're actually going to get paid about $1.71 right now for each and every single person that completes that using your unique affiliate link. For this right here, which is the email and zip submit offer, you actually need to direct people to submit their email or zip code while going through a survey, and you do get paid $1.45. So the list keep going on, and you'll be able to see other kinds of offers right now. So supposing you want to just simply select a simple offer right now, which is this kind of offer, to actually gain access or direct people to gain access to the food stamp support. This is actually giving them something like right here for free, but you're actually going to be earning $1.45 for every successful lead which you do get. And your leads actually need to be using an Apple iOS device. They actually need to be go on to submitting their email address and zip code while going through this survey using this unique affiliate link of yours right here. And they actually also need to come from the United States. If they do fulfill all these criteria, you do get paid this particular amount right now for every successful lead which you do get. And right here, you want to just simply copy the link right now and actually try as much as possible to drive traffic to this. And to drive traffic to this, you might be required to go on to creating a simple landing page. There are a lot of landing page builder sites out there like this particular page right now, which is the breezy.io. You could also go on to using this particular landing page builder site called the sites.google.com, otherwise known as Google Sites. You could also go on to taking advantage of the system.io. And if you do use all these particular landing pages right here, you could just simply create a simple landing page and actually go on to getting traffic to your CPA marketing offer with that. So if you link such landing page to your CPA marketing offers, you can actually go on to copying the link to your landing page and using this simple tool right here called kadam.net to actually drive traffic to this. And this is actually an advertising format or an advertising platform which you could actually go on to using today. As you can see, Kadam is actually the largest network that uses the most modern technologies for comprehensive solution to customer tasks. And you can actually do see right here that you do gain some cool stuff right here from Kadam. You do get high traffic volume, you do get to register as an affiliate or as an advertiser or as an agency right here. And take a look at some of the advantages right now, but I'm not going to dwell so much on that. I'm just going to show you how you can actually do this right now. You want to just simply click on sign up if you don't have an account. You can either sign up as an advertiser or as a publisher, but take note that you want to just simply sign up as an advertiser because you want to promote your product or CPA offers. And to do that, if you do click on sign up, provide your basic details and sign up for absolutely free. If you do sign up, you can then just simply log into your account as I am logged in right now. You want to just simply come right here, click on create campaign, and if you do click on create campaign right now, as you can see right here, I'm being brought to this page. Right now you want to give your campaign a name. I'm just going to use the same name as CPA Grip did use right now for this particular offer. You could go on to changing that if you want to, but I'm just going to use exactly the same name. Paste in that right here. For the campaign URL, you can either use the URL to your CPA marketing offer directly, or you could use the one for your landing page right now. I'm going to use the one for my CPA marketing offer. Paste in that. You can see right here the payment model right here per click. I'm going to leave that as it is. For the particular section which says acceptance template, there are a lot of acceptance templates which you can actually go on to using. I'm going to leave that as it is right now. For the ad format right here, you could select the ad format which you want to use, maybe the native ad format, the banner, the push notification, or the click under. I do prefer the push notification right now. I'm only going to use the classic push. I'm not going to turn on the on-site push. And right now guys, you want to select the country which you want to just simply target, and I'm going to just simply select the United States right now. So if I do type in the United States, so you can see that right here, the USA. If I just select that, that has actually been selected. Because this is actually a paid ad platform, you want to just simply put in a particular amount which you want to be paying per click. I'm just going to put in something like 0.03, and right here for the cost per action, you could put in an amount right here. Put in any amount that is actually suitable to you, but it's quite advisable you do go to put in a very cool amount right here that can actually get a lot of attention or help you get this account or this particular stuff promoted easily. Once you put in the price right here for this region and cities, you want to just simply go on to including one right here. That's the cities which you want to just simply go on to targeting in that particular location. You could actually come right here and exclude a specific city only, or you could just simply include all the cities which you want to just simply target. But it's quite advisable you do target all sections, and maybe you just exclude one city right here. And for the connection type, you can select that. For the ISPs, you can actually do select that, and right here you want to select the category of offer right now. And since that particular offer is related to food support stamp, maybe you can actually select the health and medicine, or look for something quite similar to that offer or suitable for that offer right now. So do select that right now and actually do go on to the next stage. We actually do come right here, and you can actually go on to the target by device. And if you want to target by device, as you can see right here, that particular offer is for iPhone users, that is the Apple iOS users. So you want to just simply target the Apple iOS users right now. So I'm just going to go on to turning off smartphones and only select the Apple iOS users. So I'm just going to click on iPhone only. I'm going to turn off desktop, and this has actually been set. So once that has actually been set, you could also target by browser, but I'm going to leave that as it is. And you then want to just simply come on to providing these other basic details right here. So right now guys, you're actually going to be putting the amount you want to just simply use for your campaign daily right now in this particular section. You want to also put in the amount which you want to use for monthly budget or the total budget right now. So do fill out all this section based on your preference, and actually do go on to checking this box right here for equal distribution of advertising budget per day, and actually run your ad on this platform by clicking on create campaign. And this is actually going to help you get targeted traffic to that particular CPA marketing offer, of which you can actually go on to making some cool cash right now using this simple strategy. So do use this right now and start making a lot of money online. I do hope this video was helpful. If yes, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.